Go for it.
Oh,
dude, I didn't feel the speed going in.
yeah,
I don't know why it was different. Yeah, I felt like I was going way too slow.
dude, your whole ass was hanging out. Yeah, T. Yeah.
Yo, bro, that was in your ass. Bro, you should see it. The tire.
His entire ass was out. I fucking got that on camera too.
I was a little worried. I'm like, he's ready for that case.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, my ass was slipping.
What?
So I'm like, this guy's dead in the right gear. Or just popped a little more. Maybe just a bit more, he would have had it.
I know. Yeah. Yo, you're so close though, for real.
100% dedication, that's all I'm saying. Jesus.
Yeah. Your O-ring went way up. Oh yeah! Nice recovery! Yeah! Yo, so loose! So fucking loose! You're a fucking animal! Woo! Woo-hoo!
My foot came off at the start. I go on the whole way.
That was awesome though. Yeah! Oh! Woo!
That's a sick trick. Dude, you kicked up the biggest potato in that corner.
Did I shit?
We watched that rock.
Yeah, Jordan.
It's huge.
I smoked it so hard. Yeah, bro.